I'm Vince Chicala for Caltrans News Flash. If you drive Interstate 80 between the Bay Area and Sacramento, you may have noticed those bright white lane lines. They're even brighter and bolder, especially at night.
The new stripes are part of a nationwide striping standard of 6 inches wide. Caltrans has been rolling out the newer lines in California as old lines were out, as Caltrans works to meet the needs of new technology for everyone, and funding for these projects becomes available. In the Bay Area, Senate Bill 1, the Road Repair and Accountability Act of 2017, has helped fund multiple striping projects, which will help make our highways easier to navigate no matter what time you travel. So just how do you paint thousands of lane lines along a very busy highway? It happens around midnight when there's less traffic. Crews cone off lanes. That's when they bring on the big machines. It's a nightly convoy. Their mission? Remove the old lines, sweep it clean, add primer, then paint this night's new lines before you wake up for your morning commute. The goal is simple.
We're out here to make this road safe for them and make it visible, reflectors and the striping and all that. We try to enhance it so that they will have a very safe highway to drive on.
Back on the striping machine, the 3-person crew, along with their support team, applies the new paint. The white stuff goes down first, followed by tiny beads of glass, which reflect light and make the lines even brighter. The paint dries enough so it won't smear and dries completely in about 10 minutes.
From along Interstate 80 here in Solano County, for Caltrans News Flash, I'm Vince Chicala. Thanks for watching.